In both laboratories and production lines, benchtop test chambers play a vital role in material testing, electronic component verification, and biological sample storage. However, after long-term use, issues such as sensor drift, aging door seals, locked airflow, or reduced cooling efficiency may arise. If not addressed in time, these small problems can compromise testing accuracy and even shorten the chamber's lifespan. Key maintenance practices for benchtop test chambers. Before and after each test, always check that the door gasket is intact and free from cracks, and ensure the door locks close smoothly. Replace any seal that is loose, aged, or deformed immediately. Air tightness directly affects humidity control, especially in ultra-low humidity chambers, making it a top priority. Over time, dust, scale, or debris can accumulate inside the chamber's ducts, heaters, and humidity modules, reducing airflow and test stability. It's recommended to clean the chamber walls, air filters, and humidity dehumidification components monthly to prevent buildup. Cleaning the condenser fins every quarter. Checking for abnormal vibration or noise from the compressor. Ensuring there are no leaks or frost in the refrigerant loop. For the heating system, make sure heating elements are clean and free from oil or residue, with even surface heating to avoid localized overheating or temperature control errors. For chambers with humidity control, the water tank, filters, and dehumidification modules require regular maintenance. Always use purified or deionized water to prevent scaling. That could clog the atomizer or pipes and compromise stability. Perform a comprehensive electrical inspection at least once every 6 months, including checking that all terminals are secure, comparing displayed readings with actual temperature and humidity values, testing alarms and remote communication functions, inspecting PLCs, SSRS, and controllers for abnormal heating.